कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Hi friends, today let's learn how do we get the list of all the URLs from a YouTube playlist. For this, I have chosen Carryminati's YouTube channel as an example. So if you look here, so he has a playlist like 3, 5, 6, 7 playlist, and he has like 14, 13, 6 and so on. So he has a couple of videos. So every playlist will contain videos. So let's learn how do we get those lists. To do that, we are following 3 simple steps. It's very easy to follow. So first thing is you need to install pytube module and then get the playlist URL and whatever the output, we are writing it to a flat file. Right. So how do we install a pytube module? So to install pytube, you need to go to command prompt, type pip install pytube. Make sure the pytube is in lowercase, and since I've already installed, it gives me requirement already satisfied. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Python ID. You can use anything you wish to. And the first step is complete. The second step is we are getting started. So once you have the pytube installed, you need to type from pytube import playlist, right? And then we will be passing the URL. So what is the URL? URL is playlist, and within the bracket we are passing the URL. So let me go back to YouTube. Click here.
So कैसे हैं आप लोग?
I'm going to copy this URL, then come back. So make sure you put this URL within the quotes, and we have the URL passed. So now the next step would be to save all the output to a flat file or any of the file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to name a variable out file is equal to open, and I'm going to write this on my C drive temp, or I can write it in test folder. I'm going to name this carry.txt, and since I'm appending it, I'm going to write a, close the bracket, enter. So looks like there is a mistake. I think now it should be fine. Yes, I've declared the out file. So what I'm going to do is I'll put a for loop and append everything one by one. So for I in URL dot, let's wait, yep, and the syntax is video URL, so just lost it. For everything in those video URL, either I can print it, since I want it to be in a flat file, I'm going to write this. I want to say out file dot write the URLs, that is I, enter, and I'm gonna say write it to a new line, and the new line is separated, right? And then out file I need to close. Let me run this. So ignore these codes, and directly what I'm going to write here is okay, out file dot close. Okay, so let me go to that path. So it's in C drive test. I see the file carry has been created. Let me open that up, and there you see we have like 14 files. So you can try doing the same with different URLs for any of the YouTube channels. So this is just an example. So I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe for more updates and for more training videos. Thank you.